Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to enable autosave in Google Sheets. Spoiler alert, it's already on. The short answer. Google Sheets autosaves automatically by default. There is no save button. There is no autosave setting to turn on. Every change you make saves instantly to Google Drive. How to confirm it's saving? Look at the top of your sheet. You'll see one of these messages. Saving. All changes saved in Drive. That means autosave is working, when autosave might not work. Autosave only works if you're connected to the internet. You're signed into your Google account. If your internet disconnects, you'll see. Working offline or trying to reconnect. Once you're back online, it syncs automatically. Optional. Enable offline mode. If you want autosave while offline, go to Google Drive. Click the gear icon. Click Settings. Turn on Offline. Now you can edit without internet, and it syncs when you reconnect. There's no Save button to click. It saves instantly in the background. Important. If you download your file as Excel, that version does not autosave. Autosave only works inside Google Sheets online. So the good news? Autosave is already enabled in Google Sheets. Nothing to turn on. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.